Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a whirlwind of AI news that's got everyone talking. Is Google's Gemini about to leapfrog the competition? Is ChatGPT's bold move a game changer for search? And what's going on with Google's DI strategy? Buckle up, because this is a wild ride. Are we on the verge of an AI-powered utopia, or are we sleepwalking into a dystopian future? Let's find out. First up, Google's Gemini app just got a whole lot smarter. They've added access to what they're calling thinking AI models. We're talking Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking and Gemini 2.0 Pro. Now, what does this actually mean? Well, Google claims these models are bringing enhanced reasoning, increased accuracy, and blazing fast speeds. Sounds amazing, right? But is it just marketing hype, or is there real substance here? Let's dig deeper. Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, in particular, is designed for speed and efficiency. Think of it as the Formula One car of AI models. It's supposed to be quick and agile, perfect for tasks where you need answers fast. But here's the catch. Google admits that achieving this speed sometimes comes at the expense of, quote, taking longer to achieve them. That's interesting. So, is it really faster, or just eventually faster? We'll explore that tension. The good news? Google is making Gemini 2.0 Flash generally available to developers through AI Studio and Vertex AI. This is huge. It means more developers can experiment with these models and integrate them into their own applications. Imagine the possibilities. From faster code completion to more intelligent chatbots, the potential is massive. This openness could lead to a surge of AI-powered innovation. Are you excited yet? You should be. But the impact doesn't stop there. These enhanced AI capabilities are poised to ripple through various industries. Think about search, more accurate and relevant results. Software development, faster prototyping and problem-solving. Cloud computing, Google's Vertex AI and AI Studio become even more attractive to businesses. And with the introduction of 2.0 Flashlight, even cheaper access to AI. This could democratize AI access like never before. Now, for the uncomfortable truth. As AI becomes more powerful, we have to confront the potential downsides. Automation and job displacement are real concerns. Certain tasks traditionally performed by humans could be automated, leading to job losses in specific sectors. It's a scary thought, I know, but we need to be prepared and proactive in addressing these challenges. What skills will be most valuable in an AI-driven world? That's a question we all need to be asking. And let's not forget the ethical considerations. Bias, fairness, and transparency are crucial. We need to ensure that these AI models are developed and used responsibly. We can't afford to create AI that perpetuates existing inequalities or makes decisions without any accountability. The future of AI depends on our ability to navigate this ethical minefield. Are we up to the task? I hope so. All right, let's switch gears and talk about ChatGPT. They just made a seriously bold move, dropping the sign-in requirement for search. That's right. Anyone can now use ChatGPT's search feature without logging in. This is a direct shot at Google and Bing. Suddenly, AI-powered search is accessible to a far wider audience. Is this the beginning of the end for traditional search engines? Maybe not, but it's definitely a wake-up call. Removing the login barrier is a brilliant strategy. It makes AI search more accessible and convenient for everyday users. Think about it. No more passwords, no more hassle. Just instant access to AI-powered information. This could significantly increase the adoption of AI search and change the way people find information online. What do you think? Are you more likely to use ChatGPT search now that it's login-free? But ChatGPT isn't stopping there. They're also integrating features like maps, images, and summaries. This is forcing other search engines to innovate and offer similar AI-driven features. We're entering a new era of search, where AI is at the forefront. It's an innovation arms race, and the users are the beneficiaries. Who will come out on top? Only time will tell. Now, let's talk about SEO. The rise of AI-powered search is going to shake up the world of search engine optimization. Content creators need to adapt to how AI algorithms rank and present information. Traditional SEO tactics might become obsolete. Instead, focusing on high-quality, informative content that caters to AI algorithms will be crucial. Are you ready to rethink your SEO strategy? And here's an interesting detail. ChatGPT is integrating hotel information and ratings from TripAdvisor. This sets a precedent for partnerships between search engines and specialized data providers. We might see more collaborations like this in the future, where search engines leverage external data to provide more comprehensive and relevant results. It's a win-win for everyone involved. However, with easier access to information through AI search comes increased responsibility. We need to be aware of the potential for the spread of misinformation and the need for critical thinking skills. It's more important than ever to evaluate the sources of information and to be skeptical of claims that seem too good to be true. Don't blindly trust everything you read online. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room: Google's decision to end DI hiring goals. This is a controversial move, and it's sparking a lot of debate. Google says they're still committed to hiring the best people and creating an inclusive environment, but without specific targets. What does this mean for diversity and inclusion in the tech industry? The decision reflects a broader trend of companies reevaluating their DI programs in response to legal challenges and changing social norms. Companies are prioritizing compliance with U.S. executive orders and court decisions related to DI. It's a complex legal landscape, and companies are trying to navigate it carefully. But is this shift truly about legal compliance, or is there something else going on? The shift away from specific hiring goals raises fundamental questions about the effectiveness of different approaches to promoting diversity and inclusion. Are quotas the best way to achieve equity, or are there other strategies that are more effective? This is a debate with no easy answers, and it's one that we need to have openly and honestly. Some stakeholders may view this change as a step backward in the fight for equality and representation. There's a risk of backlash from employees, customers, and the broader community. Google needs to be prepared to address these concerns and to demonstrate a continued commitment to diversity and inclusion. Their actions will speak louder than words. The long-term impact on the representation of underrepresented groups in the tech industry remains to be seen. Will this change lead to a less diverse workforce? Or will Google find new and innovative ways to promote diversity and inclusion? The future of DI in tech is uncertain, but it's a topic that we need to continue to monitor and discuss. Now, let's talk risk. All this amazing AI tech comes with potential pitfalls. The thinking AI models could be inaccurate or unreliable. The increased computational cost could lead to scalability issues, and the complexity of these models could make them difficult to debug and understand. We need to be aware of these risks and to take steps to mitigate them. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Bias is a major concern. Complex AI models are prone to inheriting and amplifying biases present in their training data. This could lead to discriminatory or unfair outcomes for users. We need to be vigilant in identifying and addressing bias in AI. Fairness and equality must be at the heart of AI development. We need to make sure these tools are used to lift everyone up, not hold anyone down. It's our responsibility to ensure that technology is used for good. Transparency is also crucial. The reasoning process of these models may be opaque, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their conclusions. This lack of transparency could erode trust. We need to demand more explainable AI. We need to understand how these models work and why they make the decisions they do. Accountability is key. And let's not forget the potential for job displacement. The increased automation capabilities of these AI models could potentially lead to job losses in certain sectors. We need to prepare for this shift by investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to succeed in an AI-driven economy. The future of work is changing, and we need to be ready. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? Google's Gemini, ChatGPT's bold move, and Google's DI shift are all part of a larger trend: the rapid evolution of AI and its impact on society. We're at a pivotal moment in history. The choices we make today will shape the future of AI and its role in our lives. Let's make sure we choose wisely. The future isn't some far-off fantasy anymore. It's here, right now. It's in the code being written, the algorithms being trained, and the decisions being made by tech giants like Google and OpenAI. It's up to us to shape that future, to guide it towards a world where AI benefits everyone. So, what are your thoughts? Is Google's Gemini a game changer or just overhyped? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious,